Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to be going over how to change the sound output on your Samsung CU7000 TV. Now, this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you just got your Samsung CU7000 TV and you want to go ahead and change the sound output to be your sound bar down there. How do you actually go ahead and do so? Now, this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved, but the first thing that you're going to need is your remote. And then you want to go ahead and navigate to where it says settings down over here. And then once you're highlighted over settings, you're going to see this bottom bar pop up. You want to highlight where it says sound output. So go ahead and click on sound output. And this is going to allow you to cycle between different sound outputs. So every time you select a different sound, it's going to switch between the different sound outputs that you have. So if you have a sound bar connected, it's going to cycle between the sound bar, the TV sound, and any other types of sound output that you have on your TV. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and change your sound output on your Samsung CU7000 TV. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.